With the fast-paced and ever-changing environment of technology in today's business world, it can take just 4 months for an employee's knowledge to start becoming obsolete. That's why it's even more critical today than ever to stay up to date on the software tools we use for work. Our computer training classes offer a unique experience to ensure that you get the skills you need in a comfortable and friendly environment. First, we limit our classes to 12 students so that you get personalized attention in a comfortable atmosphere. Also, all of our computer classes are hands-on. You'll have your own computer to use during class so that you can immediately try out your new skills. Everyone receives their own training manual to take with them for reference, and our best-in-class and nationally sold training manuals have been developed with the learner in mind, with lots of pictures, quick tips, and easy-to-follow instructions. We provide classes in a corporate class format with shorter class lengths of 4 to 8 hours. We know your time's valuable, and we want to get you the important topics in an easy-to-learn format. Also, if you ever need a refresher on a class you've previously taken, you're welcome to retake it for free for up to a year. Once you've joined our training community, you'll see why so many of our learners return again and again. But don't take my word for it. Feel free to visit our site, read our student testimonials, take a free skill assessment, sign up for our free newsletter, and view the many training options available to you. And if we can help you in any way, please feel free to call us. We would be happy to answer questions or get you more information. We know it can be daunting to navigate through all of the training options out there, and we can provide you with many tools to help.